there is not much change from the old version and this version. Of course, there are new features are there, plus the whole graphical view of Windows as it is similar. Yeah, I'll come. I'll do that. Okay. So now what I want to explain here it is. This window, hopefully I explained you this. इस विंडो में क्या होता है, डेटा ओपन करने के लिए है, एंड देन देर इज ए पिन बटन हियर सो दैट दिस विंडो विल बी एक्टिव. इफ दिस विंडो is unpinned, what will happen when you open the data, this window will be closed. So example, now this is the case, now this is off. If I do it, the previous window will be closed, that window. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, got it right. So now in Delta software there are major 4 windows. The major 4 windows are processing side. The one is this, second one is this, and 2D experiments. Any 2D is there here?
No.
2D, okay. Maybe you should.
अभी हो जाएगा कोजी ना, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा जब तक आप प्रोटॉन बताएंगे.
This part. Now in 1D NMR, you have a major 2 window. One is called this window. This window is basically for 1D processor window. 1D processor window means you have a spectra here. The right side you can see the processing list. Okay, spectra and processing list. You can
It will
change
come automatically now.
automatically. It will come.
Yeah,
Then,
if I want
spectra
to
is
add
there.
some parameters, then how will you
Yeah,
add?
ma'am, let me explain things. So then maybe you have questions, you can ask me or you can write down things. So this window, spectra and processing list, and there are a drop down list here. Suppose you want to customize your processing list, you want to change your parameters of pre-processing or processing and post-processing, all these things is here. Now you can see pre-processing is here, complete sets, and before processing list. If you want to add any parameter, you can add to the list. Example, like if you want to add this align offset, just click and automatically that parameter appears here. Okay, so this is how to do that. And next thing is importantly, and there are 2 parts here. If you see, this is the drop down list. Okay, windows here, transfer here, post display. Now here again,
So,
when adding the parameter, there are 2 parts. Pre-transfer windows are the before the Fourier transformation. This processing list is divided into 2 parts. FTP is a line, middle line. Before FTP, after FTP, there are 2 set of parameters. Okay, these are the this parameter has to be applied after FTP, and this parameter applied before FTP. These 3 parameters comes under this pre-transform windows. To make it short, these 2 windows, the list drop down list has to be applied.
इसको maximize करिए, इधर से नहीं दिख रहा.
So this window pre-transform and window functions. This to be a before FTP,
Pre-transfer.
FFT.
before FFT. Okay.
Let me write.
So
Pre-transform. And
generally in 1D experiment you are not going to do anything of this, because those are the different somebody want to do different processing for their methodology development for NMR experiments.
we don't need.
You 99.9% you don't require this one. 0.1 I don't know, that depends on the methodology development. Suppose you are developing some pulse program, you want to try with your FID things, then you can try it. Otherwise really these 2 are not useful for the regular operation part. These pre-transform windows are before FFT, and transform is basically FFT. Instead of FFT you want to try different mathematical functions, like FFT is here, like if you want DOSI processing, IFFT, Hilbert, different you want to change from the FFT, then this is a list. And after this all are the post transform after the FFT part. Okay, so important thing is, like when you do baseline correction, it has to be after FFT. That I want to explain you guys. Or if you want DC correct or referencing, everything has to be after the FFT. This you can write down.
Baseline correction.
baseline correction,
और क्या है
referencing, all are after FFT.
रिफरेंसिंग और नेक्स्ट क्या है डीसी करेक्शन
DC correction. So these all are after FFT functions.
आफ्टर एफएफटी
Yeah, after FFT
और
part.
बाकी अदर्स बिफोर
Before that, yes. So you can see it. आप ट्रांसफर के बाद है ना ये विंडो, ये सब
जीरो
आपको
फिल एक्सेट्रा
ये सब है ना ये बाद में लगाना पड़ता है. कोई एडजस्ट वांट टू टेल यू दैट.
श्रीनिवास जी जीरो फिल
Zero fill is in window functions here.
तो वी विल पुट बिफोर
Before, yes, zero fill, this one.
हाँ
This is in the pre-transfer. You look into the, try to find in the drop-down list. Okay.
ओके
Suppose if it is after transform, then this has to be applied after FFT.
Okay.
Importantly, before it has to be applied before the FFT. And another important point for the baseline correction, the baseline has to be applied after all the function finished. Like after phase correction, you have to apply. Simple. Baseline correction has to be done after phase correction. You can write down that,
दैट इज ऑलरेडी डूइंग
but not the before phase correction. Okay. Important.
And phase correction itself is pre-transform or post?
Post transform. This is in a post transform. Base correction phase is here.
So first phase correction, then baseline.
Yes. So the process of 1D NMR, I'll tell you that.
Just
This is general description about the windows. Okay. Now first we look into the what are the features or description about the software features.
baseline correction should be applied after
Phase correction.